ஹாய் எவ்ரி ஒன். இந்த வீடியோவில் வில்லியம் ஷேக்ஸ்பியர் எழுதின ஹென்ரி த எயித் அப்படிங்கிற பிளேயிலேருந்து சில எம்சிக்யூஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. மறக்காமல் பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற நிறைய வீடியோஸுடைய நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும். இப்போ கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். ஹென்ரி த எயித் இஸ் கொலாபரேட்டிவ் ஒர்க் ரிட்டன் பை வில்லியம் ஷேக்ஸ்பியர் அண்ட் டேஷ். ஆப்ஷன்ஸ்: கிறிஸ்டோஃபர் மார்லோ, ஜான் ஃப்ளெச்சர், ஜான் லில்லி, ராபர்ட் கிரீன். Answer on the John Fletcher. Next question. Henry the Eighth is a dash. Options: romantic play, history play, comedy, pastoral romance. Answer on the history play. Next question. What is the alternative title of the play? Options: all is love, all is true, all is romance, all is well. Answer: all is true. Next question. Where did the play perform at first? Options: the Globe, the Red Bull, the Blackfriars, the Inns of Court. Answer on the Globe. Next question. During which play's performance did the Globe Theatre get burned? Options: Henry IV, Henry VI, Henry VIII, Richard II. Answer: Henry VIII. Next one. Who is Archbishop of York and Lord Chancellor initially and Henry VIII's chief advisor? Options: Lord Chamberlain, Thomas Cranmer, Cardinal Wolsey, Stephen Gardiner. Answer: Cardinal Wolsey. Next question. Who is Catherine's maid of honor? Options: Annie Boleyn, Campus, Capitius, Marchioness Dorset. Answer: the Annie Boleyn. Next question. Who is Duke of Buckingham's son-in-law? Options: Lord Chamberlain, Lord Abergavenny, Duke of Norfolk, Duke of Suffolk. Answer in the Lord Abergavenny. Next question. Who is Henry's personal physician? Dr. Dull, Dr. Butts, Dr. Julia, Dr. Sands. Answer: Dr. Butts. Next question. Who is also secretary and protege, later secretary to the Privy Council? Options பாருங்க: Lord Sands, Thomas Cromwell, Earl of Surrey, Stephen Gardiner. Answer: Thomas Cromwell. Next question. Whom did Henry VIII divorce in this play? Options: Queen Elizabeth, Queen Mary, Queen Catherine, Annie Boleyn. Answer: Queen Catherine. Next question. When did the play first perform? Options: 1611, 1612, 1613, 1614. Answer: 1613. Next question. What does the prologue tell the audience? Play will not be a happy one. Prompt the audience to pity. End in misery. All the above. Answer: all the above. Next question. In the beginning of the play, Duke of Norfolk, the Duke of Buckingham and Dash meet at the court. Options: John Carr, Abergavenny, Capetius, Marquis Dorset. Answer on the Abergavenny. Next question. Who arranged the meeting between Henry and Francis I of France? Options: Duke of Norfolk, Duke of Buckingham, Cardinal Wolsey, Abergavenny. Answer: Cardinal Wolsey. Next question. Why did Buckingham get arrested? Options: treason, supporting Catholicism, supporting Protestantism, revolution. Answer: treason. Next question. Who is responsible for the heavy new tax? Catherine, Buckingham, Henry VIII, Wolsey. Answer: Wolsey. Next question. Lowell says English courtiers must swear off their inclinations towards dash culture. Options: Spanish, Italian, French, medieval. Answer: French. Next question. Where did Wolsey plan to give dinner for the nobles? Options: Norfolk Palace, Wolsey Palace, York Palace, Henry Palace. Answer: York Palace. Next question. Who greeted the ladies on behalf of Cardinal Wolsey? John Carr, Cardinal Campus, Abergavenny, Sir Henry Guilford. Answer: Sir Henry Guilford. Next one. Who disguised and attended Wolsey's dinner? Lowell, Sands, Henry, Chamberlain. Answer: Henry. Next question. Dash is not fooled by Henry's disguise to the dinner party. Option Guilford, Wolsey, Sands, Lowell. Answer Wolsey. Next question. Who is described as distressed but ultimately accepting of the verdict? Options Queen Catherine, Wolsey, Buckingham, Sands. Answer Buckingham. Next question. Whom does Wolsey expect King Henry to get married after his divorce? French king's sister Anne Boleyn, Anne Boleyn, Italian king's sister. Answer French king's sister. Next question. Where did Cardinal Campus come from passing the message about the divorce? Options France, Rome, Denmark, Egypt. Answer Rome. Next question. Where did the divorce proceedings occur according to Henry VIII? The Inns of Court, the Red Bull, the Blackfriars, the York. Answer the Blackfriars. Next question. Who has bestowed the title of Marchioness of Pembroke as a sign of king's favor? Options Catherine, Anne Boleyn, Elizabeth, the Old Lady. Answer Anne Boleyn. Next question. Who is the reason for the divorce between King Henry and Catherine? Options Abergavenny, Buckingham, Wolsey, Campus. Answer Wolsey. Next question. Whom does King Henry wish to return and bring the king comfort? Options Wolsey, Campus, Cranmer, Catherine. Answer Cranmer. Next one. What did the women do in Catherine's apartment to distract her from sadness? Options dancing, singing, playing cards, gossiping. Answer singing. Next one. Whom did Catherine call as unchristian? Options Henry, Buckingham, Wolsey, Sands. Answer Wolsey. Next question. During the day of Anne's coronation, where did the two gentlemen meet? Options Westminster, Cambridge, France, Italy. Answer Westminster. Next one. Who is demoted to Princess Dowager? Options Elizabeth, Anne, Catherine, Mary. Answer Catherine. Next one. Where did Catherine move to? Options France, Rome, Kimmalton, Westminster. Answer Kimmalton. Next question. Who revealed the death news of Wolsey to Catherine? Options Capetius, Griffith, Buckingham, Patience. Answer Griffith. Next one. How many white-robed figures appeared in Catherine's vision? 5, 6, 7, 8. Answer 6. Next one. What did the white-robed figures do in Catherine's vision? Options wearing bay garlands on their heads, wearing golden masks, holding bay and palm branches, all the above. Answer all the above. Next one. Who is the ambassador of Charles V of Spain? Options Capetius, Buckingham, Wolsey, Griffith. Answer Capetius. Next one. Who confers the difficult labor of Queen around past 1 in the morning? Options Gardiner, Lowell, Wolsey, Buckingham. Answer Lowell. Next question. Who calls Cranmer a man of integrity? Options Cromwell, Henry, Suffolk, Lowell. Answer Henry. Next question. What did Henry give Cranmer to show off his support? Options dagger, ring, bracelet, coin. Answer ring. Next one. Who delivered the news that a daughter has been born to Henry? Options Catherine, Anne, Lowell, the Old Lady. Answer the Old Lady. Next question. Who is Henry's new daughter's godfather? Options Cranmer, Gardiner, Dr. Butts, Sir Thomas More. Answer Cranmer. Next one. What is the name of a newborn daughter of King Henry? Options Catherine, Mary, Elizabeth, Caroline. Answer Elizabeth. Next one. Who predicts the princess will bring 1,000 blessings on England, doubly virtuous and full of grace? Options Cranmer, Norfolk, Suffolk, Garter. Answer Cranmer. Next question. What does the epilogue mean? Options. Many people dislike the play. Good women say nice things. Men will clap. All the above. Answer all the above. Next question. Who is a man of court? John Carr, Brandon, Butts, Cappuccinius. Answer Brandon. Next question. Who escorts Buckingham to his execution? Answer Suffolk, Vaux, Usher, Stokely. Answer Vaux. Next question. For how many years is Henry married to Catherine? Options 20, 25, 30, 35. Answer 20. Next question. How did Henry know the nature of Wolsey's double game? Options. Ring, messenger, letters, new law. Answer letters. Next question. Who is founding of the universities of Ipswich and Oxford? Options. Henry, Wolsey, Buckingham, Cranmer. Answer Wolsey. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவில் ஹென்ரி த 8th வில்லியம் ஷேக்ஸ்பியர் எழுதின பிளேலேருந்து ஒரு 51 MCQs பார்த்துருக்கோம். இது மாதிரி இங்கிலீஷ் லிட்ரேச்சர் ரிலேட்டட் வீடியோஸ் நிறைய பார்க்குறதுக்கு நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. மறக்காமல் பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற நிறைய வீடியோஸோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும். தேங்க்யூ.